So yeah, the first day I was out here at least 5 or 6 hours, you know, doing those steps right up there. And now today, another 5.5 hours, almost 6 hours. Tomorrow, guess what? I'm gonna have another 5.5, 6 hours, and I'm probably not gonna be done even after that. I'll probably have to go into the next day. But you know, how do you do a job like this? One step at a time. How do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. So that's what you do. You stretch this job, or you make it into mini projects. M-I-N-I and M-A-N-Y. Mini projects. See, this was my project that I wanted to focus on today. The risers from there on down and floating out here. I wanted to get these, but I didn't reach that, but that was my mini project today, and I finished. Now tomorrow my mini project will be, I've got to do those sides first, and then I've got to do that top one up there. Remember? I've got to do that, and I've got to do that down there. I want to do all that first, and before I start working on this other. So I'll at least get that next time, and that'll be my project. And so you just break it up in little chunks, and you can do it. I don't know how much more time I got. The battery's flashing at me. It's going to cut me off any second here, but you know, I only do as much as I feel I can in one day, and then I get tired. My fingers are sore from putting that on with the putty knife and trying to stretch it and push it and mix it and all that kind of stuff. When I think I can't go on anymore, man, I think, how am I going to do it tomorrow? But you know, by the time you rest up and come out here tomorrow, you can do some more. Don't give up on your projects. I know you can do it to save that money.